Natural gas grills are a fantastic option for backyard grills and provide some serious advantages over traditional propane grills. When you cook with natural gas, you're cooking with unlimited firepower, so unless you forget to pay the bill, you never have to refill ugly tanks or run to the store. There are many products available to choose best natural gas grills, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best natural gas grills from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. These 4 minutes will help you to choose the best products, so without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Prestige 500 RSIB Natural Gas Grill. The Napoleon Prestige 500 is a commercial quality unit that boasts 500 square inches of primary cooking area, a 260 square inch warming rack, and enough BTU power to fuel a small locomotive. The Prestige 500 includes an infrared sizzle zone side burner that heats up to 1800 degrees in only 30 seconds, in addition to the 4 main stainless steel burners. This is ideal for achieving quick steakhouse sears. But there's more. This unit also includes a rear infrared burner and rotisserie kit, perfect for preparing roasted vegetables, chicken, or anything you can put on a spit. The Prestige 500 has a sleek and sturdy exterior made from burnished chrome and stainless steel, and the company gives the same attention to everything under the hood. The grill's cooking grids, tube burners, sear plates, and basin are all made out of stainless steel. Included are Napoleon's signature wave grill grates, which keep food from slipping through the cracks. They also clean easily and protect your burners and tubes. If you're willing to invest, Napoleon delivers a real pageant winner. The Prestige 500 is robust, sleek and modern, and comes with extras that will satisfy serious grillers. Number 2. Burl King Regal Pro Gas Grill. The Burl King Regal S590 is a high-heat 5-burner grill that puts out 80,000 BTUs of firepower across a 625 square inch cooking surface. At 217 pounds, the Regal is a handsome heavyweight that packs a serious punch. You'll find built-in performance grilling technology and an extra deep grill box under the hood, which ensures heat retention. Since we're talking about heat, this grill reaches 700 degrees in just 5 minutes. Burl King also includes its signature dual-tube burner technology, giving you 10 rows of flame and flame-stabilizing flow valves that are wind, weather, and rust-resistant. Because Burl King utilizes a stainless steel cooking system, this grill heats quickly and distributes flame power evenly. Also in play is Burl King's vaporizing technology, which protects your stainless steel burners, eases cleanup, and vaporizes dripping while redistributing flavor back into your food. The grids are also double-sided, which means that I can achieve steakhouse sears on one side and smooth delicate sears on the other. This American-made grill also includes a 15,000 BTU rotisserie burner and a 10,000 BTU side burner, which allows you to grill, roast, and prepare sides and sauces, all from one location. If you need extra prep space, fold down the hoods on the collapsible side burner and get to work. Number 3. Weber Genesis 2E435 4-burner natural gas grill. This unit boasts 69,000 BTUs of firepower, a whopping 844 square inches of cooking surface, and a slew of amenities. These include 4 stainless steel burners and tubes and porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates that are stick and rust resistant. The Genesis 2 is also IGR ILL3 compatible, a nifty feature that monitors your food and relays your temperature in real time, directly to your mobile device. Additional features include Weber's signature flavorizer bar technology, which reduces cleanup, extends the life of your burners, eliminates flare-ups, and infuses food with extra flavor. The Genesis 2E435 also includes a side sear station that produces an intense heat zone for achieving quick steakhouse sears. Those who appreciate having the option to prepare sides and sauces will like having access to an extra side burner. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.